The 530 MLE was actually the very first motorsport derivative car built here in South Africa. Now, if you look at the M brand, how big it's got around the world today, South Africa played a very leading role in where M is today.
I think what's excited is the honor to actually build the car for BMW South Africa. We're building the car exact original. So the color that we chose is the Chamonix, the correct color that the car came out in the 70s. Sourcing some parts that we either can't get new and trying to find some that we can really recon and refresh and reuse. We've actually bought 3 cars across South Africa looking for a good dashboard that's uncracked. I mean, the cars are 47-year-olds, most of them been out in the sun.
This
is going to be part of the history of South Africa, so to be here while this project's coming to conclusion is fantastic.
I think my heart's, it skipped a beat. It's not every day you get to build a brand new car for BMW South Africa. So for it to run the first time with no errors, perfect.
Be part of this, to be building the DNA history of BMW is going to be phenomenal.
One of the high points might not be driving the car once it's done, but actually to see people appreciate the car that it's what it is, part of history that disappeared.